All right, Mr. D, we're in the family plot garden. I'm excited because we're going to talk about planting corn, one of my favorite vegetables.
Right, good old sweet corn.
Good old sweet
Can't
corn.
beat it.
So how do we need to get started?
Well, the first thing we did, back in the fall, we prepared the ground initially, and we pulled a soil test. We did it the right way. We pulled a soil test, and the instructions or results recommend 15 pounds of 15, 15, 15 per 1,000 square feet. So we don't have 1,000 square feet, but we do have 100 square feet. So we'll knock a 0 off, and it's 1.5 pounds of 15, 15, 15, and that's 24 ounces, I think, and that's what I've got here.
That's easy math.
Easy way to figure it out. So I've got it weighed out, and I'm supposed to broadcast this.
Okay.
And so we're going to broadcast it, and then we're going to rake it in a little bit, and then we will come back and side dress the corn when it's 8 to 10 inches tall with some more nitrogen. So let's go ahead and I'm going to try to do a broadcast here. I don't want to run out like when I'm halfway through here. That won't work very good. I'm going to try to put out about half of it first go around, and then the other half the second go around.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
There you are.
You've done
Came
that
out
before.
perfect. How about that?
How about that? That worked out just right.
Okay, now let's rake it in a little bit. I'll let you hold that.
I'll hold that for you.
And I'm just going to rake it in a little bit. And this is, you don't really have to do this because these fertilizers are water soluble, but I just kind of like to, I don't particularly want the seed to come in direct contact with the fertilizer.
Okay.
And when we make our rows, we will, we hopefully won't be able to actually see any fertilizer. Okay, we got that in pretty good shape.
That's good.
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to, I'm going to put double rows. We're going to plant 2 rows 10 to 12 inches apart, 10 feet long. Then we're going to skip over about 36 to 40 inches, 2 more rows, 10 to 12 inches apart. And so we'll have, and the reason we're having the side-by-side rows is corn's wind pollinated, and it makes pollination process better. And over here we're going to do a different style. We're going to plant a 4x4 foot section, and we'll have corn in a checkerboard pattern at 12 inches apart, about 12 inches apart. And that's good if you have a smaller area, raised beds, things like that. That will work. You can still reach to get in, and you also have the good cross-pollination will take place. So let me start with my first row here.
All right.
Now my dad would be upset because unlike Natalie, he liked straight rows, and we had stakes that we would put on both ends and stretch a string. And those are out there on the family farm somewhere, but I guess I should have brought them today.
We're going to see how straight you are then.
Let's see here.
Not bad, not bad.
Think it'll work? I need a hoe. I'm used to using a hoe for this, but we'll make do with this rake. Okay, that is 1 row, and this is exactly, I'm going to move this out of the way a little bit for now. This is precisely 12 inches. Okay, about 36 inches. Now this design is strictly from the University of Tennessee publication, Growing Sweet Corn in Home Gardens. So if anybody wants to take a look at it, they can find it online.
How does the soil look to you?
Looks good.
It's good.
Looks good. You can tell it was a little wet when we worked it last fall because we do have a few clods in there, but it will be pretty good. Okay, we're ready to plant this.
What are we planting?
We're planting sweet corn, peaches and cream.
Peaches and cream. Love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
Very, very good sweet corn. Yep. 10 to 12 inches apart. I'd say let's go 12 inches apart.
12 inches? All right.
That'll make the ears bigger.
All right. That was about right, huh?
Mm-hmm. Now, let me cover it up. Okay, that's got that in pretty good shape. Okay, let's try the checkerboard style now.
I'm looking forward to this, Mr. D. I really want to see this.
Okay, this is a little different, and it's really good if you want to if you have a raised bed or if you have a very small area, and you pretty much ensure that you get good cross pollination. Now we want to make sure we stay at least 12 inches away from that other row there. Can we marker there we can put down? That's about right. Okay. So I'm just going to make the holes first. I'm going to come about 12 inches from that row and 12 inches from outside, and I'm just going to dig a little bitty hole. Not very big at all.
Okay.
Coming 12 inches. Same thing. It's a lot better to do this than to plant one row of corn 100 feet long, because the wind will just blow the pollen away. Unless the wind is just out of the right direction, it didn't get pollinated. This way, no matter which direction the wind's blowing, you get pollination occurs. So we only need 12 seed. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Do we need to plant them close together? What about thinning? I mean, something like that, or what are your thoughts?
This is fresh corn seed, so I'm assuming that the germination is really good.
Okay.
You're going to know very quickly whether or not the corn is up, and if one of these doesn't come up, you just need to go out there real quickly and replant. Dump another seed there. You know, I mean, they'll start spiking, you know, in just, you know, a week or so.
Okay.
So to cover that up, I'm not going to use clods to cover it.
All right.
I'm going to try to just.
You're going to hand cover.
I'm going to kind of hand cover it. Okay. In just a few days, we'll see what we've got.
See what we got. I can't wait to see. Thanks,
I'm
Mr.
glad
D.
you've got this good fence around here, because it'll keep the raccoons out. Maybe.
I was just thinking about raccoons earlier. I sure thought about that.
Yep.
Appreciate that, Mr. Dito.
Okay, good deal.
We'll see what happens.
See what happens.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. To find out more information on this topic, just click on the familyplotgarden.com link in the description.